2002 Volkswagen Eurovan. Customer lost all the keys. I'm gonna make this key, and then I'll cut the key with the remote and program it. Alright, so I took the handle off and I have my key ready. So now I'm just gonna use the trident to turn it into a flip blade, and I'm gonna generate a remote to do the programming. Okay, to read the EEPROM data on this, you gotta go to 24LC04 on EEPROM flash and microchip, and this is a 24C04. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. That's the chip that you're gonna be reading. So now I already saved the data, and I'm gonna go to my vvdi tool to load the dump file and program the transponder on it. So we go transponder programmer. We go to mobilize our data tool, and here we're gonna select Euro. We're going to look for Volkswagen, VW, and here we're gonna select T5. Sorry, not T5. We're gonna select immobilizer box, and then here we're gonna select 24Z04. And we're gonna load our EEPROM dump. Let's go to desktop. I'm gonna look for my Volkswagen folder. There it is. Open it, and here we have our 2002 Eurovan. That's our file we're gonna load, and there we have it. So I'm gonna select the key that's been programmed already. So I'm gonna select key number 3, make dealer key, and I'm gonna be using a vvdi super chip. We're gonna put our remote on the vvdi tool. We're gonna wait for it to program it. Let's do it one more time because I did not select the okay, so we're gonna select let's do key number 2, make dealer key. That's our pin 1037. We don't need it though. Make dealer key, vvdi super chip, and that's it. Now let's read our ID on our super chip and see if it matches key number 2. Alright, so now let's read our chip. So our chip is not matching the ID number on there, so we're gonna have to redo it. Okay, so I've already wrote the data onto this super chip, but also wrote it onto PCF 70 Phillips 44, PCF 7935, just in case the super chip doesn't work. I have this one ready. So let's go ahead and put everything back together and try it. Okay, so it starts with the Phillips 44 chip, the 7935. With the X-Source generated chip, it does not work because it's not writing the proper data into the chip. But the 44 works fine. So now I'm just gonna remove the chip off of this shell, put it back onto this remote, and then just generate the remote and do the programming for the remote. Okay, so for the remote, I use this file here to generate this universal remote, and that's the part number and FCC ID. And for the remote programming, I did it with the KM100. So I'm already done with the programming, but let's just go ahead and do it again. Let's go back to the menu. So I selected the Volkswagen Passat. I went manually. I selected Passat under Euro, and then 2001, 2005. So you select yes, and then for the remote, we go to control unit, remote system, and it's gonna be type 1. Okay, so we're just gonna select OK. We're gonna go add remote control or remote control learning. Either option is good. So here we're gonna select type 1. It's gonna ask us how many remotes we want to program. If you have 2, you select 2 here. I'm only gonna program 1, so I'm gonna leave it at 1. You're gonna press OK, and then here it says press any button and the hazard lights will flash. So you press any button, and of course they're not gonna flash because this remote's already programmed. But it says here remote control succeeded. So let's just go ahead and generate this one more time just to show you guys. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Wire remote. I'm gonna press it because this is a generation 2 remote. So that's done. We're gonna select here again remote control learning, or add remote control is the same thing. And again we select type 1, press OK. Now we're gonna press any button on the remote and we're gonna see our dash emergency lights flash. There it is. And that's it. We're gonna select OK. Now we're gonna back out. We're gonna unplug from the OBD. Now the OBD on this is under the steering column cover. There it is. Let's zoom out, take the ignition key out, close our doors. Now let's test our remote. Lock, unlock, and I still have to where's our key? I still have to get the chip off of this and put it on this remote. Well, let me just show you guys it starts. There it is. 2002 Volkswagen Eurovan. All keys lost. We program a new remote flip key, and it's good to go. Another one back on the road.